Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to share the live location with your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So actually there are two ways of doing so. The first one is messages. Enter the messages and tap on the contact that you know has the iMessage. Here if you know that they do have the iMessage, and here as you can see you do have this blue messages. Tap this plus button and here scroll down so that you can see location over here. Tap on location, tap on while using the application, and now share. But this is not actually the best way of doing so. But you can tap indefinitely and tap send. Tap continue, and now you're sharing your location from iPhone. This is the first way. The second way is when you go to Find My application on your iPhone, and here now you can send the live location to the people, but I do have to cover it because here are my numbers. So yeah, tap this plus button, tap share my location, and as you can see here I do have, this is my number. Let me cover it better. Tap here your name of the contact. I will add it. And here, as I can see, if we tap our contact, we have here our contact. Tap that and tap this tick icon over here. Now we can tap indefinitely, and now our location is shared like in the iMessage. Here tap use, and now tap OK. Here as I can see we have this contact, can see your location. And now let me move to our iPhone, and let me just turn on the focus mode. Here we have, if we enter the Find My, we do have, wait a moment, people or mail, and this is their location. You can tap share, and for example for 1 hour. Use. As I can see here we have no location found, but here they are as I can see. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like on this video. It's very important to us. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.